Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have a second latest in beauty box for you from October's edit today, guys. Yep, I did it again. Second month on the trot and I've had two boxes from latest in beauty. I know. Anyway, here we go. This is what it is. So like I say, this is from the October edit, which was the new season beauty edit. What is latest in beauty? Well, they are a UK based monthly subscription box. The boxes contain 6 items and it costs £12.95 to receive the box. Plus, if you are a new subscriber to them, for the first 3 months you will pay £3.95 on top of that for your postage and packaging, but after that it's free delivery. Where Latest in Beauty differs slightly from other subscription boxes is that you actually get to choose the items that you would like to receive and try out. So at the beginning of the month they always release an edit detailing all the products that are going to be released daily throughout the coming month. They don't tell you on what date those products are going to be released though, so if there are items that you're like, ooh, I'm very interested in that, you've just got to wait and build your box when those items have been released. Now sometimes that means that, you know, other items that you're potentially interested in, if they're released at the beginning of the month but the one you're really wanting isn't coming out till the end of the month, some of your other ones, you know, they can go out of stock, particularly if they're high value items or they're high-end brands or whatever. But I really do enjoy doing this box and getting this box. Like I say, this is the second one for October. I did 2 in September as well. And that's because sometimes there's just so many products that I'm interested in, I end up having to get an extra box. So anyway, we shall open this one up and see what I chose in this one. A little piece of advice though is, again, if you are going to join Latest in Beauty, join at the beginning of the month, because that way then you've got all month to choose your products. Your subscription renews on the same date every month as when you set it up. So like for mine, I started mine on the 3rd of the month, so I can't choose my next box till the 3rd of the month, the following month. If you start a subscription at the end of the month, you then can't build your next box until the end of the following month. So again, there might then have been items that you've missed out on. Anyway, that's just a little piece of advice. Okay, so here we go. It is quite a big and heavy box, this second one. So we will dive in. And the first thing I got, I know. It's a makeup brush. And I have a bit of a problem with makeup brushes. I adore makeup brushes, I always have done. This is by the company So Eco and it's their angled eyeliner brush. Now then, I've got a couple of brushes now from So Eco and I really like them. They're very nice to use, they wash fantastically, they don't go out of shape, they don't shed. Yeah, really thoroughly enjoying using them. These are worth about £5 each as well. So I think, was it in September I got the shader brush, and when I saw the angled liner brush was on there, I was just like, well, that's a gimme, I've got to get that. Angled eyeliner brushes like this are something that I use all the time. I've got loads of them because I will use them literally for doing my wings, for doing, sometimes if I'm doing very graphic eye looks and I want really crisp edges, I will use these. So yeah, for me personally, I just don't think you can ever have too many makeup brushes, but I think it's about time I started decluttering some of my older ones. So there is going to be a video coming on that, my makeup brush collection in December. So yeah, if you like your makeup collection videos, decluttering videos, things like that, and you're not already, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and click that onto all so that YouTube tells you when I upload, which is about 3 times a week, because like I say, that will all be coming in December. Okay, so next item out the box is this is by the company Polar and it's their SPF 50 and it's a sun lotion, okay, and it's a 50ml tube, this one. It's a fragrance free brand. Now I've had a couple of miniatures. I think I got one in a Birchbox and I got one from somewhere else, excuse me, and this brand is not a cheap brand, I think, and I've got this basically for my children. I tan very easily, but obviously children, you need to protect their skin. Yeah, so like I say, this is a 50ml tube. There we go. There's the inside packaging of it. So yeah, so I've got that for my children. And the next item, oh, this just sounded just so up my street, it was unreal. This is by the brand, I think it's Bayer. It's BYRE. And it's a British dairy body care, and it uses whey sourced from British cows. Now whey is a byproduct or waste product of cheese making, basically, and it's usually just thrown away or, you know, given back to the cows to eat on their silage or whatever, but it's a semi-skimmed body wash, and I just thought it sounded awesome. It's free from parabens and silicons, and it says it's whipped and smooth for soft and conditioned skin. This is a full-size bottle and it's 250ml. There's the outside packaging. Like I say, I just thought it sounded adorable. Never heard of the company before. So let's have, I'm dying to have a sniff of this and see what it smells like. Oh, you can smell like cocoa butter and like aloe vera and stuff in there. Yeah, there's aloe vera, vitamins E, C, B5, B6 and poppy seed oil. Ah. Oh, that really does smell lovely. In fact, it almost reminds me of a suntan lotion or an after sun lotion. So yeah, gonna be very, very excited to try that out when I get round to it. So that's item number 3. Item number 4. This is by the company Skin Sense by Abby Cleve, and this is the Hydronet body scrub. This again is a full-size item, and this is 200ml. Now I think when I looked into this, I think this is worth about £18, I think. Let's have a look. What does it say about it? Okay, it's enriched with apricot and olive seed grains, so that's obviously your exfoliating agent in it. And it says it's particularly effective for elbows, knees and any rough skin. And what I did like about this was it actually states on it it's dermatologically tested. Now because I have sensitive skin, having that little bit of reassurance absolutely means the world to me. It means that I should be okay using this product. I shouldn't have any sort of skin reaction. So let's have a look. It's sealed. It's got a hygiene seal on it, which is fantastic. That is absolutely amazing. I'm not going to pull that off because obviously once you do that, you start the oxidizing process, which will start the process of the product going off. This lasts 12 months from opening, so that will be going up in my body care box upstairs in my bedroom and going to my little box of goodies waiting to be used. So that's item number 4. Item number 5. Now then, this really intrigued me. This is, oh, I can't remember the name of the brand. Is it Make the Make? I think it's called Make the Make. That's the brand. And it's a hyaluronic lip oil. Okay. This is a 6ml tube. And I do believe this is full size. I'm pretty sure. But it says this soft and nourishing lip oil makes your lips velvety and glowing. Now then, I was talking to Kelly from Afflicted Beauty. Kelly doesn't have, well, she does have a YouTube channel, but she doesn't post any videos on there yet, although we are encouraging her to maybe rethink that, so you never know, fingers crossed. But she does do a blog 3 through Instagram. She's got an Instagram account, and she was saying she'd picked this up and she's absolutely loving it, and it's really, really unusual. She was talking about the doe foot, and it was like a rollerball or something. Oh, and I see what she means. Right, okay. So here we go. That's it. I think we were talking about this on either my live stream or Lisa Authentic Beauty, her live stream. Yeah, so I'm actually going to give this, and you say like, oh yeah. Oh, I see what she means. Oh, I've just realised I've got lipstick on, and it's now come off onto the doe foot. Ooh. And it's like candy. It's like a sweetie, syrupy scent. Oh, slightly bubblegummy. Yeah, slightly bubblegummy, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it's not too overpowering, so that's not so bad. I see what she means. Yeah, when you actually do, like, it actually, I wonder if you can see. Now it has took, can you see that actually rolling along my finger? So the tip of the wand actually does. That is amazing. Yeah, I agree with Kelly. I've never seen anything like that before. But that is item number 5, I do believe. Yes. Okay, and the last item I actually chose, this is yet another set of perfume samples. I think these boxes are a great way of getting new perfume samples, you know, to test them out, try them out without having to buy the full-size bottles. Again, this is by Yardley. If you want to go and watch my first unboxing video, by the way, I will link it up here for you, because the Yardley released 2 different types of little perfumey sets. So I've already got the other one, and this one, that one contained 5 little 1.5 ml vials. This one contains 4. Okay, so here we go. So that's there, that's your outer packaging. And then you just flip it up and there's your 4 inside. So what have we got? Okay, there's a Blossom and Peach one. I'm not even going to spritz that because I'm not keen on peach at all, so that might be gifted away. There's a Bluebell and Sweet Pea, that sounds nice. There is, ooh, Freesia and Bergamot. Right, I'm going to leave that out because I'll probably spritz that because that sounds right up my alley. And this one is Poppy and Violet. Okay, so I think I'll try both of those. So here we go. This is the Freesia and Bergamot. Now I adore Bergamot. Yeah, you can, yeah. You've got like the lightness of the Freesia, and then you've got like the slightly muskier element of the Bergamot as an undertone there. Yeah, that is really nice. I really like that one. And then on this other side, we will do the Poppy and Violet. Now, sometimes Violet I find can be a bit sweet and sickly for me, but we shall have a look. Sort of gone into the crux of my elbow. Didn't have a very good aim with that one, but never mind. Yeah, that's quite nice. The Violet's not too overpowering at the moment. Yeah. Yeah, that's not bad. That's quite nice. I quite like that. So there we go. So that's my 6 items. Also, what everybody who did Make a Box in October with Latest in Beauty, you actually got a free gift. So they do this about every 2 to 3 months. And the free gift was this bottle. It's a 200 ml bottle of Estee Lauder hand sanitizer. Now, obviously, you know, we're all using hand sanitizer like it's going out of fashion, and we probably will be doing for quite a while yet. So again, to have another bottle of this sort of in my house, I've got one in my handbag, yeah, I'm not going to say no to that, you know. Anyway, so that's all my items. So I've got the body scrub from Skin Sense, I've got the body wash from Bayer, I've got the Polar suntan lotion for the children, I've got the Make hyaluronic lip oil, I've got the Yardley perfume samples, and I've got the So Eco angled liner brush. I'm really chuffed with these picks. I really am. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing 2 boxes in November. We will wait and see. But you can pause, you know, if there is a month where you're like, not so bothered about much of that, you can pause your subscription and sort of miss one, and you won't get charged for it, so that's absolutely fine. So, everybody, what do you think? What do you think to the items I've chosen in this second latest in beauty box? Please let me know all your thoughts, feelings and feedback in that comment section below. So thank you for watching, everybody. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and you kind of fancy joining me on this YouTube journey. If so, please do hit that subscribe button, like I say. Also, if you can hit the like button for me as well, guys, that just helps YouTube with the interaction and tells them that, you know, whatever I'm doing you seem to be enjoying, and it might help promote the channel a bit more and help to build this wonderful community that we seem to be doing over here on Making It Up. What else do I do? What sort of videos do I do? I do not just subscription box unboxings, I do makeup looks, makeup hauls. I have my live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That's at 8 PM UK time, or GMT, whatever you want to call it. And it literally is a virtual get-together. Bring your favourite beverage, an open mind, an encouraging and positive attitude, and yeah, just come and see what's going off in the live chat. It generally ends up with me dissolving into fits of giggles, so if you think that's something you'd quite enjoy, then we will look forward to seeing you there. Right, everybody, I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!